For the vast majority of us, we love our parents. They took care of us as we grew up. But what do we do when they are no longer able to take full care of themselves due to old age? Illnesses like dementia, they set in. And our parents become much more vulnerable to scams and elder abuse. This is a significant pathway for elderly people and elderly parents to lose their money. At the next session of our Protecting Aging Parents from Financial Ruin workshop, we talk about the ways that scammers and con artists take advantage of the elderly. We help you with guidance on how to be on the lookout for the signs in conversations, email, text messages, and even social media. Don't leave your elderly parents to defend themselves alone. Thanks for watching. A registration link is in the video description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow us on social media, and share with a friend.